Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to use AI to summarize YouTube comments. So let's get started with the video. So first what we need to do, we need to basically first note down few of the comments over there for which you want the summarization. For example, I've written five comments over here. Post that you need to open ChatGPT and you need to give a prompt. As I've given, please summarize this YouTube comments. Focus on overall sentiment, key phrases, criticism, and suggestion. List common themes if any. Post that you need to paste your comments over here. Please note it do not have access uh, to directly get the comments from a YouTube link. So you need to paste the comments over here. Once you have given the prompt, just enter it, and as you can see here, it's given a summary of the YouTube comments that you have provided on the basis of the keywords we have given, the sentiments, key phrases, criticism, suggestion, common themes. So this is how you can summarize the YouTube comments using AI. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.